Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'm going grocery shopping. I know it's late and it's raining. It's currently 7:40 on a Friday night, and I'm gonna go buy a couple of stuff that I'll do tomorrow. And I don't want to go out shopping tomorrow because my mother-in-law is coming to visit us and we want to have some good time, and we are busy on Sunday, so this is the best time to go. So let's go to shop. Right, that's my spot to shop. Let's go. I just got back from the grocery store, and this is all that I got. And this is our new habit and new eating habit, healthy eating a little bit, so we can get into the winter. You know, the winter is the most time that you eat a lot. If you don't study, if you don't check your diet, you might end up eating too much in the winter. So we're just basically trying to go easier with eating. So this is all that I got. And next thing, I have to clean out the refrigerator. So I can't bring you because it looks like a mess now. So see you when it's done. I actually changed my mind. I'm gonna show you how it looks before and after. So this is how the situation is doing now, and I'm gonna put everything back in there, but in a nicer way. So see you when it's done. After everything, this is how the refrigerator is looking now. I have some drinks. I have some frozen chicken wings for tomorrow, and this is our milk and juice, my cheese and stuff, and my fruit. And the bottom here is my vegetables. And I pretty much arranged everything here, and this is how it looks. It's not perfect, but it's not dirty. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our family channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.